If you are a professional makeup artist, then you must have these lip liners from PSC. Hey Winsome family, here is your Lakshmi Kannan going to tell you what are those 5 pencils. So the first one is purely plum. This is the shade which I really love so much. It's very beautiful shade. Anyone should have it in their wine color, which will be suitable for all type of skin. Next favorite shade of mine is this In Love pencil. So this is the In Love pencil. Wait, let me swatch and show you. So look at this. This is the shade of it. And this is also very beautiful color. Next favorite is this beautiful pink color, which is called as Magenta Magic. And wait, let me swatch and show you how it looks. So this is how it looks. A beautiful color. So nice. So I would recommend to have this also in your vanity. This coral color, which is called as Soft Spoken. And wait, let me show you how it looks. So see, this is how it looks. A beautiful color, which I really love. So yeah, this is also my favorite color. So here comes the last color in the list, but this is my most favorite. This is called as Infinity Kiss. Favorite color because look at the pencil also, so much I have used. So this is how it looks. Okay, so this goes for all the look. So these are my most favorite 5 colors. With this I can create any shades, and yeah, that's all. If you feel this is a useful video, then please do like, comment, share and save this video. Bye bye. Meet you with another informative video like this.